Hello guys, today we will discuss why we study carbohydrate. As you know, our 40% brain cells do not have mitochondria. Our red blood cells also do not have mitochondria. The cells which do not have mitochondria, the only way of getting energy is carbohydrate. Which carbohydrate? Glucose, mean glycose. Where there is no mitochondria like our 40% brain cells and red blood cells and some part of our kidney and male sex organ, they do not have mitochondria, so they only get energy by substrate level of phosphorylation in glycose. So we will see what are the other aspects which are important for carbohydrate. So, as you know, our plant cell wall is made up of carbohydrate. Which carbohydrate? Cellulose. Cellulose is one of the largest organic compound present in this universe. Trillions amount of cellulose is produced every year. Almost 50% of organic compound present in this nature is composed of cellulose. This cellulose and this starch is synthesized from water and carbon dioxide through the process of photosynthesis. This carbon dioxide and water is converted into carbohydrate. Which carbohydrate? Glucose. Then this glucose through various sequence of enzymatic reaction converted into starch and cellulose. Starch present in the storage regions of plant and cellulose is present in the cell wall of plant. So both are important. One make the structure of plant and other is the storage food of plant, and that storage food is source of food for animals because storage regions we consume and that storage regions are converted into glucose, and that glucose is major source of energy in our body. Around 65% of food is made up of carbohydrate. And that food consists of bread, pasta, potatoes, and rice. Other carbohydrate disaccharide are sucrose, which is also known as table sugar, invert sugar, and that sugar is important. Why? Because it is used in tea making. Then we have lactose in milk. Lactose is a sugar which is a major source of energy for newborn babies. During digestion, all carbohydrates, mean polysaccharide and disaccharide, are converted into glucose. That glucose is oxidized by the various cells to produce energy. And that glucose is also used for the building of molecules like protein, lipids, and nucleic acids. In plants, it is majorly present in the form of cellulose, cell wall of plant, and storage region starch. Cellulose is very important. Why? Because it helps to make wood, and that wood is used in furniture, pages in your notebook, and cotton in our clothing are made up of cellulose. Cloth is also made up of this cloth is also made up of cellulose. Then some medical importance of carbohydrate. Carbohydrate are the chief source of energy for brains and red blood cell. And if we do not have carbohydrate, our red blood cells and brain cells does not work well. Okay, so that's why it is known as chief source of energy, carbohydrate. They are also important. They are also made compound protein and compound lipids. Compound means combination of carbohydrate and protein that are glycoprotein. And compound lipid means combination of lipid and carbohydrate. Carbohydrate degradation products act as a promoter and catalyst for metabolicism. So all the degradative product of carbohydrate act as a catalyst or promoter, or it also can be act as an inhibitor to stop the reaction of enzymes during feedback regulation. Certain carbohydrates are used as a drugs like cardiac glycosides and antibiotics. They are made up of glycosides. What are glycosides? Glycosides is made up of two things. One is carbohydrate and other is non-carbohydrate. And non-carbohydrate portion is mostly made up of an alcohol. Non-carbohydrate portion is mostly made up of an alcohol. One of the most important glycoside is digitonin. Digitonin is made up of carbohydrate and digitogenin protein, which regulate the heartbeat during excessive beating of heart and slow beating of heart. Lactose is a principal sugar of milk, which is made up of made in lactating mammary glands. Similarly, degradative product of glucose, which is a acetyl-CoA, is good source of fatty acids, cholesterol, and amino acids. Similarly, heteropolysaccharide or mucopolysaccharides are also made up of carbohydrate. Which carbohydrate? Heteropolysaccharide, which made the ground substance of mesenchymal tissue. While like chondroitin sulfate, they have negative charge, so they make the mesenchymal tissues of animals. Inherited deficiency of certain enzyme in metabolic pathway of different carbohydrate can cause diseases like galactosemia, which happen due to the deficiency of galactokinase or galactose 1-phosphate uridyl transferase. Then we have glycogen storage diseases due to the deficiency of glycogen synthetic or degradative enzyme. And lactose intolerance, which occur in the deficiency of lactase enzyme. And there is another disease which is very prominent in our population, which is diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus, diabetes mellitus is occur due to the deficiency of insulin. What is the function of insulin? Insulin converts glucose into glycose. And if we do not have insulin, that glucose cannot be converted into glycose. Also, carbohydrate metabolism gets disturbed if we have a deficiency of insulin. So, level of glucose get increased in the deficiency of insulin. This happens in diabetes. They are most abundant dietary source of energy for all organisms. Around 4 kilocalories per gram energy is derived from carbohydrate. They are the intermediate in the biosynthesis of other basic biomolecules like fats, proteins, and nucleic acid, associated with the other entities such as glycoside, vitamins, and antibiotics. We have already discussed. Then carbohydrates are the most abundant and widely distributed compound in nature in the form of cellulose, which is the one of the most abundant organic compound in this universe. They are primarily composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, three atoms. That's why they are known as organic compounds. They could be expressed by the molecular formula CH2O, and that's why it is also known as hydrated carbon. Why? Because carbon contains water molecule. Plant can build up cellulose from carbon dioxide by the process of photosynthesis. We have already discussed many plants and animals contain large amount of carbohydrate and they develop food such as cellulose and starch, glucose, respectively. That's all. If you like that channel, like that video, please subscribe that.